Forgotten username recovery failed on OANDA Fix. If you've misplaced your OANDA username, most people get stuck guessing, but here's the truth. Recovering your account is straightforward when you follow the official process. Step 1. Go to the OANDA login page and click Forgot Username. Enter your registered email address. OANDA will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset it. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, collect important account details such as your full name, recent trades, or linked bank accounts. OANDA support can verify your identity manually and help you regain access. Step 3. Check your inbox and spam folders carefully. Follow the instructions exactly as provided to avoid delays. Step 4. If the automated process doesn't work, contact OANDA support directly. Explain the situation and provide all necessary verification details. Their team will guide you through a secure recovery process. Remember, forgetting your username does not mean you've lost access permanently. Once recovered, update your account security, consider using a password manager, and enable two-factor authentication to prevent future issues. By following these steps, you can regain access to your OANDA account quickly and continue trading without disruption. Don't let a simple forgotten username stop your progress.